Let's take a look at replacing a student section. We'll navigate to our menu, Student, and Student Profile. You'll want to verify you're in the correct entity and school year, as scheduling information is entity and school year specific. Then you'll want to locate the student you wish to make changes for, locate the Scheduling tab group, and you can either be in the Schedule Matrix subtab or the Schedule List subtab. From the Schedule Matrix, we will select Schedule Builder, and then we'll want to select the course that we want to replace. Once we select the course, we can select Replace Section, and here we'll get a list of all of the other available sections that can fit within Period 2. So we can scroll through this list, and if we wanted the student to take Communications in Period 2, we could select the Select icon, and then we'd want to verify the information. We're going to get a message asking if we're sure we want to delete the original section. All records will be removed. And then we're going to verify the replace information. The course and section are going to default in for us because we did select Communication Section 2. And then you can also fill out who requested this change if necessary. We will then select Next. And then we'll be able to verify the information. So one section will be deleted. The scheduling transaction will also be deleted. And then one section will be created, and that transaction will also be created. Once we verify this information is correct, we can select Save. And now we can see that we've replaced Government with Communications. Thank you for following along on replacing a student section.